In this video, I'm going to show you how to stake Polkadot on Ledger Live. Now, first off, if you need any new Ledger devices, you can use my link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can get the official Ledger devices over there at the best prices as well as some bonus Bitcoin. So you will also support my channel that way, of course, and thank you if you decide to do it. So to stake Polkadot on Ledger Live, click on over here on the left where it says Earn. And then here under your earn opportunities, you'll be able to basically see your Polkadot over here. If you don't have any Polkadot, just go ahead and down here, as you can see, dot, click on get dot, and then you can go ahead and choose your account or create one if you don't have it yet inside Ledger Live, and then buy some Polkadot that way. So after you do that, you'll be able to see your Polkadot up here and you'll be able to stake it. And staking is actually very simple. You're just gonna have to find it here in the list. So the Polkadot, click on earn, and then click on continue. And then over here, you're basically going to have to see, of course, all the options you have. Select the one you want to select. And after you do that, click on continue. You're going to see the summary. Click on continue again. Then you're going to have to connect and unlock your device. And after you do that, basically, you're going to have to confirm a few things on your Ledger device, physically in your hand. And after that, you will go through the confirmation. And then you've successfully started staking Polkadot on Ledger Live. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.